House.
What the check where?
I want to check you people's kitchen. Is this your house?
Amma, what is wrong with you?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Princess Banigo, and I decided to prank my husband. So it's always so hard to prank him. I'm sorry guys, that was the message that entered. So I bought a card to prank him. So it's always so hard to prank him, and I decided to prank him with the kids. Like, the kids are here. Sorry guys, so I decided to prank him and tell him that, like, I don't know who he is. He has been calling, but like, I already started the prank. I didn't think of it as a prank. I just wanted to, but when I saw it was falling for it, I was like, let me just put up a camera in my face and just continue with this. It's not planned, so I'm sorry if I'm not looking all, you know, like I didn't really plan it. I just said, so what I want to do, and I want to call him back. Hopefully you guys can see my face over there. I want to call him back, and you know, let's just see what he says, because I told him I slept and I just woke up. I don't remember anything, so I'm calling him back now. I can't connect my Bluetooth to this Bluetooth, so let me call him with this phone and let's see. I'll try and put it in the speaker. I hope you guys can hear. If this prank doesn't work out, then we'll delete these clips, but if it works out, so let me call him back. I'm okay. Who is this, please? I can't remember anything. I just slept and woke up and I can't remember anything. I'm in the house. Nobody, just two children are here. It seems like it's not picking his audio very well. So right now, I want to put the mic in and call him again. Abraham, go to the other room. Go. You're laughing. I don't want that. Go. Abraham is just here laughing and he's going to ruin everything for me. My husband is so hard to prank. So guys, I'm going to call him again and try to put this speaker close. Maybe he can pick up his audio a bit more. Okay? Let's try that. Continue. If you laugh, if you know you laugh, go outside. Abraham is just laughing. I don't know why.
Hello, Amma.
Hello.
Hello, Princess.
Yes, I'm here. Who is this?
My so they talk now. Banigo. Yes.
I don't know who you are. What is going on?
Where you dey? Where are you like this? What's wrong with you?
I'm in the house. I know I'm in
Where
here.
is you?
Just two children. Yeah, I saw two children. One, he was even crying. I went to check inside you people's kitchen. Is this your house?
What the check where?
I want to check you people's kitchen. Is this your house?
Jesus
Amma, what is wrong with you? Are you okay there?
I don't know. I just slept and woke up.
So they talk now. Your husband.
God of heaven, which time did I get married?
Are you pranking or what?
Don't understand what's going on here. I already saying if it was a prank, and I was already laughing. That's why I caught it. Let me call him back and let's maybe we end it here, because I think he's already worried. Oh, my poor husband. Let me call him. Abraham, please don't laugh. Continue.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello, Amma. What is going on? What is going on here?
I don't know what's going on. I just saw myself that I woke up in one house and there are two children here.
There are children now. They are kids.
When did I give birth to children?
Where are they? Let me talk to you. Is that there?
There's one boy here. What's your name?
Let me talk to you.
I don't know. He's just doing somehow. I don't know what's wrong with him. He's just jumping somehow.
Are you pranking you?
Which one is pranking you? Pranking? I don't understand. What's pranking? I don't remember anything. I just saw myself in one house, two children. One was crying and crying. Yes, I gave him food. I went into your kitchen. I saw people did not have anything like baby milk. I now gave him what I saw there. I now did custard for him. I saw custard.
I'm coming home now. Eh?
Who are you? Who are you to the person? Why are you? I mean, is this your house?
Let me talk to Abraham. Let me give that boy. Let me talk to you.
Okay, come and talk to you, this man.
Who is this?
Huh?
I don't know. Who is this?
It's your dad.
I don't know. The boy is saying, who is this? So what's going on to me? He's a Franco. Oh my God, Abraham. It's a prank, Oga. What's going to road? Guys, so I pranked Mr. Jeff live. He used to format guy, but I pranked him. I got you. What will you say?
Thank you.
Yes, I got you live. What will you say? Waiting for those. Bye.
Bye.
I miss my mom's call. Let me call her. Did my husband call my mother? So guys, I'm calling my mom back because I saw a missed call. I don't know if my husband called her. So yes, I'm trying to call my mom back right now. I think my husband called her.
Hello?
Hello, mommy. What's happened? You dey call me now?
I just called me now saying look at the whether 7 days far, but I'm not with the wrong house. Just how can I even call him back please?
I said make a prank and I ain't always a format guy. Ma prank and say I don't lost my memory. I know they remember anything again. So these children will get them.
About take time, no
No, Allah, don't hear. See, my mom called me telling me that I should leave her in-law. You know, get mind. You're the first strong guy, hard guy. Anyway, guys, let me just end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching to this point. And if you enjoyed this prank, please let me know so that I can create more videos like this. And I'll see you in my next video. Tell them bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Adam. Why is he smiling now? Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.